So for this video, I will be making 2 batches of brownies. So all of the measurements here are times 2 of the original recipe. You'll need 1 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of red food color, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons vinegar, 4 eggs, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cups of white sugar, 2 eggs, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Exact measurements will be provided throughout this video and in the description box below. So this is not our original recipe. Instead, I will be linking the link on where I got this recipe down below. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of melted butter and 2 cups of white sugar. Then mix until well combined. So we will be mixing between additions. So every other ingredient will mix our batter. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then mix. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of red food color. Then add in your 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Add in 4 eggs. So you're supposed to whisk the egg first before adding it to the batter. So I just forgot to do that. So again, whisk or scramble the eggs first before adding it to your batter. Then, fold in 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then just keep folding and time-lapse mode on. Once done, you need to set aside 1/2 cup of our batter. So again, I am making 2 batches of brownies. That's why I need 1/2 cup, but the original recipe only requires 1/4 cups. So we will be using this later on for the swirl effect. Once done, set aside your brownie mixture. Now it's time to work on our cream cheese layer. So in a separate bowl, add in 16 ounces of cream cheese. It should be at room temperature, 2 eggs, 1/2 cups of white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So using an electric mixer, we'll mix it until well combined and until our mixture is smooth. Once our mixture is smooth, it's now time to assemble our brownies. So in the original recipe, you'll need an 8 by 8 inch square pan, but I don't have one. So I will be using this brownie pan instead, and a normal rectangle pan, which is the silver one. So here, since I'm making 2 batches, I will divide my batter equally between the 2 pans. So I just added parchment paper and grease the pans. Then spread your brownie mixture evenly. By the way, you can add walnuts in your brownie mixture. So the original recipe has walnuts in it, but I don't have walnuts here right now. That's why I didn't add it. So let's just focus on this brownie pan for this video. So add in your cream cheese mixture on top of the brownie mixture. So I always do it this way. I add the cream cheese by dollops so I can easily distribute the cream cheese mixture evenly. So gently and evenly spread your cream cheese. So you need to be gentle with this one because you don't want the cream cheese to mix with the brownie mixture, because you're still aiming for that layer of brownie and cream cheese. Get the remaining brownie mixture batter, then add it on top of the cream cheese mixture. So I always do it this way, so by dollops, and I add it alternately so we can get an even and pretty swirl effects. Now it's time to make our swirls. So get a toothpick. So you can use a knife for this one. Then just gently make the swirl effect on your mixture. So what I always do is that I make sure that I would reach the edges of the brownie batter because I wanted my swirls to be evenly distributed. And I wanted each slice to have a swirl. So I start with big swirls first. Then I will proceed on with smaller swirls, then big again, then small. So I'm not good at explaining, so just watch how I make the swirl effects on my brownies. Just keep on swirling until you get your desired design. Once done, bake your brownies for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool first before cutting and transferring it into a wire rack. Once completely cooled, you can now cut them into pieces. So here, just have a glass of hot water and a knife. To evenly cut the brownies, I will be using this brownie pan divider to serve as a guide. So actually, that brownie pan divider is supposed to be included upon baking the brownies. However, I just decided not to use it while baking because once baked, it is super hassle to release the brownies from the pan. So I still have to use a knife to release the brownies from the dividers. So there, just slice or cut the brownies evenly. And that's it. Just look at how pretty the swirls are. And here's a slice, so look at the cream cheese layer and the brownie layer. And that's me trying to do a transition. Anyway, thanks for watching and hope you try this recipe as well. And that's me eating a piece, cause why not?